How to add photos in different shapes to Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add photos to different shapes in Instagram story. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so now from this section you'll have to go the option plus icon just at the below of your profile image. So simply tap on this option blue plus icon. Alright, so now from this add to story section you'll have to choose the picture as an background to your Instagram story. So simply from here I will choose this image as an my background. After you choose the background image, you'll have to just tap on the sticker icon just at the upper side of your screen. So simply tap on this sticker icon. Alright, so from here tap on photo, and now from here you'll have to choose the photo whom you want to add on different shape. Alright, so after you add that picture you'll have to just tap on that picture again for the different options to change the shape of that image. So after you tap on that you'll be able to see different shapes for your image on that story. So from here you'll have to choose one, and after you choose you'll have to just tap on the done option just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply again you'll have to tap on the sticker icon, choose your image, and from here tap for the multiple shapes for your Instagram story. So from here you can choose any shapes for your Instagram story. So after done this you'll have to just tap on the done option. Alright, so as you can see I have successfully added photos in different shapes to my Instagram stories. So in this way you can also add it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.